Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Testing Tricks. So today I'm going to discuss about defect priority and severity. Okay, and what is the difference between them? So whenever you are raising any defect, that time you have to mention your priority and severity for that particular defect, right? So what is priority? So priority is how soon that defect needs to be fixed. That is the simple definition of the priority. How soon that defect needs to be fixed. Suppose you have raised one defect which has a major impact, means you are blocking, that defect is blocking your most of the functionalities. Okay, so in that case, developer should fix it as soon as possible. They have to fix it immediately. Okay, so that is the meaning of the priority. So the definition of priority is how soon that defect needs to be fixed. Okay, so now you saw that this defect is currently blocking only one of the functionality, not all the other functionalities or all the other modules. Okay, so in that case, you can mention priority will be high, but severity will be low because it is not impacting all the modules, but some of the modules it is impacting. So now severity is coming to the picture. Okay, so severity means the impact of the defect. That means the defect, whether it is blocking all the other modules or a few modules. If it is blocking all the modules, then obviously it is a high severity defect also. So in that case, you have to mention high priority, high severity. Okay, because high priority, uh, because it is completely blocking your most of the functionalities. Its major functionality are not working. And high severity, why? Because this particular defect is blocking all the modules. So it is a huge impact on all the modules. In that case, in that defect, you have to mention high priority and high severity. Okay. So the definition of the severity is the impact of the defect. If it is blocking all the modules, then you can mention high severity defect. If it is not blocking all the modules, then in that case, you can mention only low severity defect or medium severity defect you can mention. Okay. So that is the main difference between priority and severity. So whenever you guys will raise any defect, please keep it in mind that you have to mention both. If it is a high priority, then mention it high so that developer will fix it immediately. If it is not high, then you can mention medium or low priority defect. Okay. Severity also, you can just check the impacted area. If that defect is blocking most of your modules, in that case, you have to mention high severity. If it is not, then you can mention medium severity or low severity. Okay. So that is the difference between priority and severity in software testing. So I hope it will be clear for everyone. So thank you.